I'm Jayla. I'm from ITP, Innovative Tactical Production. So here we are at the MOA 2024, and I'm going to go through some of our release product this time. So this is our first new release. This is a VZ61 mid-mag drum mag. So as you know, this is a mid-cap, which means it's a super silent. The BBs doesn't rattling around, and actually, it's made of 7075 aluminum, which makes it super sturdy, and it's durable. It doesn't break easily, and it can hold around 120 rounds BBs, which is a big enhancement on this replica. All right. So for next, I know some of you might know that ITP actually released a modification and enhancement kit on the Marui Saiga-12 and this year we did the work on the SBS version. All right, so down here, as you can see, the drum mat, it's made out of the engineering plastic and aluminum, which makes it more durable, and actually it reduces the overall weight. So it looks beefy, right? But actually it's quite light. So up here we do have the mag well and the side skirt as well. And up here, as you can see, there's a quick detachment kit, and we have enhanced the trigger guard as well. So you can see there's more spaces here, and for you to modify any stuff. And for the kit, we actually trying to enhance make it more ergonomic and more intuitive, right? And also inside with the trigger group, it's made out of steel, so it makes it more durable, and you can use it longer, definitely, right? All right. So and then up here, as we can see, for the rail, this is a Picatinny rail system with the analog system, and you can see that we actually added to a full length all the way to the back, to the rear part of the replica. So it makes it more flexible, and you can add any style if you want, and it's more sturdy, right? It doesn't wiggle around. So and then to the front of the replica, you can see this is also our latest release this year in 2024. This is a modular suppressor, and it actually comes with 5 rings, all right? So you can add or reduce all the rings to fit your length, to fit your needs. So this is our SBS version, and also last but not least, we do have the design, the new laser part, the laser mark on the rail. So this is our very new design, and this year we also got you the gas regulator as well, because you know, it's all about details. We're trying to make it real and trying to enhance your experience. And till here, I think everyone can tell this is a KCO2, right? So for this one from KJ Works, we did a EVR kit on this replica. So as you can see right here, the silver part, it's made out of aluminum, so which is make it quite light and durable. And also we got an M-lock system right here, the M-lock rail, and also we got you a adjustable stock. So this is our latest. It's not released yet. So and next, I am actually going to bring you to our highlight of the year. Okay. So this is actually the Groza kit for our Marui Saiga SBS. So what is very special about this is, as you can tell, actually it looks pretty tactical, and for the function, as you can see, we have changed the SBS into a bullpup design. So for the bullpup design, at the rear part, as you can see the stock, you can easily, actually with a simple click, you can unfold the stock, and then you can remove the dust cover very easily. So which makes the cleaning and everything make it more easier for the player. And also we got you a QD stock right here. And so for the whole replica, as you can see, it's shorter, right? So the compact design actually make it more easier for any kind of the CBQ or close range battle, or even if you're in the confined places. So with the bullpup design, actually the weight just sits very perfectly in the middle, it isn't sits heavy in the rear part or the front. And also we got you a mag wheel, the side skirt as well. And for the rail, as you can see, it's a M-lock system, and actually you can change it into 4 different heights to fit your sights. For example, if you got red dot, or if you want to pair with your helmet or optic, or even the peer sight, they all actually works pretty well. So that's a whole kit. And actually for the grip, people might think that, you know, how do I change, or how do I reload or release the magazine? And we do have a short and long magazine. Actually, with a very simple click right here, I can turn the grip into the 45 degrees, and then I can release or reload the magazine. And actually what the special part is, I can still shoot. I can still pull the trigger while in the rotation. Okay, so if I'm gonna pull it back, I just do it with a simple step, and that's it. Very easy. And so here we can also see the gas regulator and the suppressor I just mentioned before. And so this is a very, very new highlight, and I think the design is super special for the ITP this year. So I am Jayla from ITP, and these are all very new highlights.